Hello, friend. Nice to meet you again. Today, I want to tell you about something, about your journey. You are learning English. Sometimes it feels hard. Sometimes you feel tired. But you do not stop. You try every day. You want to speak English. You want to understand people. You want to read books, watch movies, and travel the world. That is why you keep learning. You started learning English maybe 1 year ago, or maybe 2. In the beginning, you felt excited. You bought a book, a pen, maybe a dictionary. You said, "I can do this." But after a few days, you saw many new words. You did not know them. You felt confused. You said, "Why is English so difficult?" You remember your first English class. The teacher said, "Hello, what is your name?" But you did not understand. You just smiled. You were shy. Your heart beat fast. You wanted to speak, but the words did not come. You were afraid to make mistakes. You were afraid other people would laugh at you. But you did not give up. You went home and looked at your English notebook. You said, "I will try again. I can learn." You made a plan. You studied 10 new words every day. You wrote the words down. You said the words out loud. You listened to English songs. You watched cartoons with subtitles. You repeated words and sentences again and again. Some days were hard. You felt tired. You asked yourself, "Why do I learn English?" Your friends speak your language. Your family speaks your language. But then you remembered. English helps you in life. You can get a better job. You can meet new people. You can go to new places. You said, "Yes, I will continue." One day, you spoke in English. You said, "My name is, I am from, I like sport and food." People smiled. Your teacher said, "Good job." You felt happy. You felt strong. You said, "I can do it." But you still make mistakes. That is normal. You forget grammar rules. You use the wrong word. You say something and it sounds funny. But now you do not feel shy. You say, "It's okay. I am learning." You speak more now. You write short texts. You read simple books. You listen to English every day. Sometimes you don't understand, but that's okay. You say, "Please say it again," or "Please speak slowly." You are brave now. Listening is still hard. People speak fast. You hear the words, but you don't understand them all. It makes you sad. But you listen more. You watch short videos. You listen to podcasts for beginners. You try every day. Grammar is hard too. You don't always understand tenses. Past, present, future, it's confusing. But you practice. You say, "Today I eat rice. Yesterday I ate rice. Tomorrow I will eat rice." You repeat these sentences every day. Slowly, they make sense. Vocabulary is also difficult. One word can have many meanings. Some words sound the same, but they are different, like two, and two. It can make your head hurt. But you study. You use flashcards. You write new words on paper and put them on your wall. You look at them every day. You talk to people. Sometimes they don't understand you. Sometimes you don't understand them. But now you are not afraid. You ask, "Can you help me?" And people help you. They are happy to help. You are learning. You maybe join an English club. You talk with friends who are also learning. You play games, you ask questions, you help each other. You learn together. You smile. You are not alone. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Step by step, day by day. Sometimes you fall, but you stand up again. You keep walking. And one day, you look back and say, "Wow, look how far I have come." Now you can speak a little English. You can say what you like, you can ask for help, you can write short messages, you can read simple texts. You can understand more when people speak. That is progress. That is success. You still have a long way to go, but now you are not afraid. You know you can do it. You are strong, you are smart, you are a learner. So remember this. Practice every day. Make mistakes. Laugh at your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Speak, listen, read, write. You are doing great. This is your journey. This is your story. You are learning English, and you are doing your best. One day, you will speak English very well. You will be proud of yourself, and we will all be proud of you too. Thank you for not giving up. You can do it.